What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, I got some really exciting updates for the NIO stock that I've been waiting to share. These actually came out yesterday, but I'm just going to be covering them today now that the market is beginning to absorb, that really bad news, with that China stock Didi, that ride sharing company, all the, headlines that have been boiling up really caused NIO to get hammered because it is a China stock, of course. And once again, I did do a video on this exact topic that happened. Right here is the Didi crash video that I put out. And a lot of people didn't, update people about this headline. And that is really why NIO sold off extra hard, these past days. NIO actually hit a low today of around 42.90 in the morning around 9:50 a.m. So guys, this is amazing buying opportunity because this price does not reflect what NIO is doing, okay? You have retail investors, this morning dumping shares at 4 a.m. Do you think diamond hand, people with positions in NIO are dumping all of their shares at, 4 a.m. for a headline that has nothing to do with the company? You have to do your research. I know it's hard. If you guys are busy, at work, busy with family, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to keep you update, when buying opportunities like this happen. NIO has been listed on the US stock market for over 2 years, okay? The government is backing this company, okay? It is different from what happened with Didi, okay? If you click right over here, the Chinese ride-hauling firm Didi sued in US as shares slide. And if you scroll down, Beijing cybersecurity watchdog says the app illegally collected users' personal data. The lawsuits, which were filed in federal court in New York and Los Angeles on Tuesday. This is why, the Chinese government was pushing back on them so hard. There was an investigation. They should have not gone the IPO route for the United States. And that caused, NIO's stock just this week to drop nearly 15% because you have the paper hand investors, just selling off this stock, guys. And the great news about NIO, this now gives you 40% upside on the price, guys. So we were at about 25% upside when we were at that $55 high. Now we're back to 40% upside with 8 analysts covering this stock. They would not be giving out these price targets if NIO was not performing and absolutely killing it, guys. They are on the verge of hitting their, record that they were supposed to be hitting 3 months ago. If it wasn't for the chip shortage, I'm telling you that 10,000 vehicle mark per month is coming very quick. Now let's get to the amazing news that I've been waiting to drop. CICC expects 70,000 units of NIO ET7 to be delivered next year. Guys, I did a video on YouTube once again. I cover all of the NIO updates, okay? If you scroll down, this update right here, if you go down, it was at 50,000, as you can see. The ET7, 50,000 pre-orders. This was a month ago. They are now upping it to 70,000 units, guys, expected to be delivered, guys. This is the hottest sedan in the China market, guys. The most, technology, autonomous driving that you could absolutely imagine. This is, won multiple awards for, best sedan in China. And this is expecting to be their moneymaker when they start releasing this vehicle. CICC once again raises NIO price target by 11% to 69%. This is before the stock pulled back, guys. This is like a day ago. CICC, this is China's leading investment banking firms that engages in investment banking. This is the leader in the China investment banking, guys. They do, the big buy ratings, the big price targets for their, China companies. NIO starts shipping battery swap stations and superchargers to Norway. As you can see right here, these are their battery swaps, This is what separates them from all of the other EV automakers in the world. They have that battery swap technology. You can watch a video on this on YouTube. This is crazy technology and people are loving it. People get a better deal on their vehicles when they go with the subscription model of the charging stations, guys. And this is going to be a massive revenue source down the road for NIO. Guys, this is not one of those US EV stocks that has not even delivered one vehicle and is having problems with manufacturing, guys. This is a massive, massive company that is on the verge of absolutely exploding. They are just recovering off of the chip shortage, guys. This was definitely a buying opportunity once again. If we guys just look at the 5-day chart, the NIO stock was at $54. This sold off almost 15% if you count this morning, which was just paper hander retailers that don't know what they're doing inside of the market and don't know when to buy accordingly. This is the time to be buying, guys. Everyone was dumping their shares at 4 a.m. that have no business being inside of the stock market at all. NIO's 301st battery swap station comes online this month, guys. This is that battery swap technology that they are delivering, to Norway. And guys, Norway is going to be the second market penetration that they're going after, and they're going to be releasing their bigger SUVs and giving it a taste to see how the market reacts. And I'm telling you guys, once that sedan comes out, this is when NIO is going to explode. Do you remember back when the pandemic happened and Tesla absolutely exploded because, more buyers came to that EV buying market? I'm telling you guys, this is going to be what causes NIO to absolutely explode, is this ET7 vehicle. And I also did a video update recently. They raised their units for this year, forecasting 98,000 units. This used to be at like 93,000 units. NIO also just hit a all-time high in June of 8,000 vehicle deliveries. And this is a big difference between Xpeng and Li Auto. The reason why is because of price difference variations, guys. NIO is a premium luxury auto brand in China. These vehicles are very expensive. We're talking over 60,000 plus. This is not like selling your average Honda for 10, 20K. They don't have to do the delivery. They don't have to do the delivery numbers of Honda, guys. They can do, 3 times less vehicle sales because this is a premium luxury vehicle. This is like Mercedes Benz, but they're all 100% EV, guys. This is eco-friendly. This is the adaptation that NIO is trying to go. And I think that this stock is going to eventually explode soon and bust through these all-time highs. The all-time high right now is like 67. I really believe NIO is going to, surpass that once these deliveries start banging out 10,000 and they start selling these vehicles in Norway. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing but good news leading up for NIO. And it's just a lot of retail covering the stock. There's a lot of YouTubers out there covering the NIO stock, and they're not giving people really in-depth analysis on why they should be buying NIO. So they get shaken out when things get tough with, bad headlines, such as, the Didi stock, which is uncontrollable. People think that, NIO was going to be getting delisted, the last 48 hours and stuff like that. They are literally backed by China. China handed them over $1 billion to keep them afloat. This was 2 years ago. So why are we going backwards about NIO getting delisted, talking about data being released and stuff like that? NIO would never do that. They have one of the best CEOs in the world. He founded this company 6 years ago. Tesla took 16 years to become profitable. He is expected to potentially be profitable in the next year, guys. This company is moving very fast, and I'm telling you, China is just handing them the keys to success. I really think this could be a billion-dollar company in the next 3-4 years. That is definitely possible, and I'm very excited, and I think this is a great buying opportunity at that $44, $43, $45 range right now, guys. This is amazing buying opportunity for sure. Once again, every morning I go over to bar charts, and right here you can just go to the percentage changes of stocks inside of the market, and you click this. And it's an absolute brutal day, as you can see, guys. I believe this just has to do, with a lot of retail getting shaken out because it's been like back-to-back-to-back days of just nonstop redness. But if we go scroll down and see if we have some buying opportunities on, some of the stocks I'm familiar with on top of NIO. Xpeng, high quality company, full EV. They're down 5% today. And guys, this is definitely a buying opportunity. XPeng has just been absolutely killing it. Chewy, a great buying opportunity. We scroll down a little more. Square is down 4.5%. So guys, it's not just some of these, retail trader stocks. High quality companies are getting smashed today too. Baidu, Alibaba, of course, this has to go back with the Didi. These are massive China companies. Scroll down a little more. SoFi down 4%. This one's still getting battered. Definitely a buying opportunity right now. This company has price targets near $30. Pinterest, ChargePoint. So always be sure to use bar charts to get great buying opportunities. But it looks like NIO right now is down 2%. This one bounced back from nearly 7% this morning, guys. So if you guys were bouncing all over that 42.90, that was a great buying opportunity off of nothing but good news for the NIO stock, guys. As we can see, the headlines are just absolutely beautiful right now inside of this market. And this is what I look for, guys. I look for beautiful buying opportunities. And guys, of course, the final update with the NIO stock. NIO's next stop overseas could be Germany, as it's hiring general manager for local operations. As you can see right here, I don't know if this is like LinkedIn or something like that. General manager in NIO Germany, 173 applicants, guys. So this is another expansion process that they are taking, guys. They are growing really fast and they are getting their foot in to those doors. Norway, Germany. There's just no telling, what's going to happen with NIO, guys. They are absolutely killing it with China, and this is just a perfect time to expand because their product is in such high demand. So this is just another breaking news that, is just going to surge the stock much higher in the near future. Once this Didi stock blows over, I'm telling you guys, they are backed by the government. You have to do your research, on these stocks just to get a better understanding of the price movement and what's happening inside of the market. You got to buy on weakness. This is the buying opportunity, guys, but I'm telling you, just going off the analyst, you got 40% upside right now. So you're definitely in the room with that amazing cushion. And this is what I preach inside of my Patreon. You can read the link in the bio. We have over 400 users inside of the Patreon right now. And I'm telling you, I announced last night at like 4 a.m. This is a buying opportunity this morning. Be ready to buy. Just letting people know you have to see these things coming, guys. Amazing opportunity to be inside of the market. I love when these paper handlers get flushed out. But NIO is ready to explode. I'm telling you, it's going to start with that ET7. And don't be surprised if this month we see NIO, hit that 10,000 vehicle mark, because I'm telling you, that chip shortage is easing very, very nicely. Be ready for those sales to be coming out. Be ready for NIO Power Day tomorrow. They're going to be announcing amazing news with their battery swap technology, possibly. Very exciting times, guys. This company is going to break 100 billion market cap very soon. They have $6 billion in revenue projected this year. That puts them around a 15-20x multiple. Very solid for such a high growth company. So if you felt any of this information gave you any better insight on the NIO stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out and you don't want to miss it. I hope you have a great day.